Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a fabulous, delicious recipe. Muffins using a sourdough starter with a mild taste of orange, which makes them scrumptious and delicious. And they are super moist inside. I call them sourdough muffins. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. I'm also going to be leaving all of the ingredients in the description below, as well as other useful recipes. Without further ado, let's get started. I'll be using half of a cup of an active and bubbly sourdough starter. You're going to be using your fingers a lot, so please don't forget to wash your hands. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs at room temperature, 2 cups of whole milk, and I'm going to use a whisk to mix all that together before we add the rest of the ingredients. Next, I'll add half of a cup of honey, and I like to get every single little bit out of that measuring cup with my spatula. A quarter of a cup of maple syrup. 1 stick of melted butter, which is about half of a cup, and make sure that the butter is not too hot. Next, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now one of the key ingredients, about 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Please ensure that you don't go down to the white part of the orange, because that part of the orange could make the muffins a little bit bitter. I like to use a fine mesh strainer to sift the flour, and I'm going to be adding 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Tap it gently to sift all that together. I like to give it a simple and quick mix before I add the next ingredient. I have here 1½ cups of quick or 1-minute oats. And this time, I'm going to mix everything thoroughly to ensure that there is no more flour left on the sides and the bottom of the mixing bowl. One cup of raisins. And finally, a cup of chopped pecans. After we mix it really well, we're going to let the mixture rest for about 10 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to proceed to the next step. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 trays of standard size muffin. Each tray holds 12 muffins, and I'm going to line them with parchment paper cups. It's been about 10 minutes, and you're going to notice that this mixture is a little bit runny, but that's okay. I'm using a 2-inch ice cream scooper with trigger release, which holds about 1/4 cup. And I'm holding each of the liners carefully with 2 fingers as I pour the mixture to avoid spilling into the tray. Now let's do the next tray. The recipe makes about 24 muffins. The last one might be a little bit smaller, but I like to scrape off every single little bit of the bowl. Now let's bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 22 to 24 minutes depending on your oven. After about 21 minutes, insert a toothpick in the center to ensure that it comes out clean. They are still very hot. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. Please wait until they cool down completely before removing the parchment paper. Otherwise, it's gonna be very sticky. Once they cool down completely, it will be much easier to remove the parchment paper. The aroma in my kitchen is amazing. I can't wait to give them a taste. You can see the raisins and the pecans. The orange zest gives them a unique taste. They are scrumptious and delicious and super moist. I hope that you can try this recipe. It's super simple and they come out so delicious. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. I'm going to leave a link in the description below and also at the end of this video with more recipes, especially on how you can make your own sourdough starter. Have a wonderful and very blessed day. I'll see you next time.